Welcome to another Toolbox Tour video. And in this video I'm going to be reviewing this battery charger. So this is the TOPDON Tornado4000 battery charger and maintainer, and I bought this purely on the strength of the review on the Retro Restore channel, Martin. So I bought this one quite a while ago. I've only just got round to reviewing it. So I'll get you set up on a tripod and we'll get it unboxed. So you set up on the tripod, and it's time to open this up. Bit the old unboxing. There we go. And as ever, the quality of the packaging with the TOPDON products is absolutely fantastic. So look at that. Look at the quality. Just get this box out of the way. But it's amazing the quality. And there we have the charger itself. I'll probably go through the various settings. And then we have different connectors to go on the end. You have one where you can just have it permanently connected to your battery, use it because you can use it as a maintainer. And then we have the one with the clips on it again. Just like the battery test, the quality of these feel of quality, really good quality chunky clips, so that'll do a good job. And of course we have the instructions here. We have the instructions for it, and I'll just quickly go through it. There's not much controls wise to this charger. You have the mode, so you'll have your indicator as to how much the battery is charged at the top. And at the bottom it indicates what mode is, so you just press it twice to select your various modes, then press it once to once you're at the mode you're in, just press it once to start charging on that particular mode. So that's basically it. That control's quite simple. So what I'll do is I've got a few batteries I can test it on. I've got the battery that come off the Discovery, because if you remember on the battery charger video that come up. I've actually tested Bimmer's battery, and what I'll do is I'll get that battery tested first, and I think we'll just try that. We'll try a repair on that one. So we'll have to go outside, get this set up in the shed, and then we'll go from there. So back out with the BMW. If you remember before, I couldn't test it fully, so we've done the battery test, and it's a regular flooded, and what's this, 540 EN, so you select the units EN. We've got 540, there we go, enter. Now it's saying charge retest. It's saying 5% health, and this is what I got before, because I did a test off camera, and it was saying replace. So we'll do a cranking test. So I'll start the engine. Let's have a look. Oh, okay. It must have drained it. So I'll just have to try that again. So obviously power's dropped for the air tester to reset, so try another cranking test and try again. So there it is, doing a cranking test. Oh, cranking low, that's not good. Try a charging test. As you can see, it's showing a healthy voltage from the alternator. So I'll just follow the instructions and I'll come back. So I've done what it says, press enter to continue. Charging's good, but I knew that anyway. So basically that's it, this battery's not showing very good. I'll just go back, let's do that. If you can see, if we can do this test with engine running. Yeah, it's showing us replace, so I think this could be a candidate for a battery repair. So I'll pull this battery out and we'll get it on the bench. Bimmer's battery's on the bench. Now what I think something I neglected to do was explain the various modes. Now this will only do 6 volt and 12 volt batteries. You've got your normal 12 volt, that'd be a car battery, a normal flooded battery. And then you've got a called AGM batteries, that mode. That mode is a small 12 volt battery, you know, like not sure, like a motorcycle battery or something. That'll be a normal one, again called AGM for a small one. Then we have 6 volt batteries, it'll charge 6 volt battery, normal 6 volt. 12 volt lithium. And the mode I'm most interested in is the repair mode, 12 volt repair mode. So I'll just get you set up. We'll get all this connected up and we'll see if we can rescue this battery. But I've noticed there's a date on it, 30th of January 2016. That's 6 years ago, so it's probably coming to the end of its life, and I'm prepared to bite the bullet and get a new battery. But we'll just try and make this last a bit longer, because I'm tight-fisted Yorkshireman, and I believe in making things last as long as possible anyway. So get this set up and get the repair mode going. So it's all plugged in, and I'll need to get into repair mode. So what you got to do is it just goes all the way. You got to cycle through all various modes. You know, a bit of double pressing, like double clicking on a mouse in a way. So double click. Now we're to repair mode now. So to get it going in repair mode, press it once and it'll start doing its thing. So let's have a look, see how, and there'll be an indicator. See, it's gone up to 25%. So I think what I'll have to do is leave it to do its thing, and I'll come back to you when it's at 100%. So it's quite some time later, and it's up to 100%. So I think we'll just leave that where it is, and I'll get this battery fitted back to Project Bimmer and we'll do a battery test to see what it's like. The battery's been refitted. Just do my test, we'll see what happens. We'll just do a battery test. So regular flooded, EN 540. Let's see if this battery repair's done any good. Still saying replace, so I would say it's not worked. So just do a cranking test. Please start engine. Let's have a look. There we go, engine detected. So yeah, cranking low. I'm not gonna bother with the test, so it's probably not work for this end battery. It'll need replacing. So the charger's not really worked on that one. So I think what I'll do is I'll move over to that Land Rover Discovery battery. So I've got the charger on. It's up to 25%. This will probably stand a better chance because its healthy percentage is better than the Bimmer's battery. So there must be a threshold below where it's beyond repair even with this one. So I think it could be in with a shout on this one. So leave it to do its thing. It's a few hours later and it's completed. So I'll just turn this off, turn the inverter off, disconnect the charger, get the battery tester. Oh, I got a bit of demolish everything off the shelf. I pulled everything else down at the same time. So just put you guys down for a couple of seconds. So I've got the battery tester here. Get this connected the right way around. Okay, let's see what we have on this battery, see what it's like. All I can do is a battery test at this stage. Regular flooded. CCA, it said it's 850. See if this has done anything. No, it still says replace. It says 31% health, so maybe this one's past it as well. So yep, I only bought this for battery repair function, but it doesn't seem to work out well, not with these batteries anyway. I mean, it's a pretty good charger as well, so who knows. So I'm going to end the video here. Hope you enjoyed this one. So as ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.